Zoom was originally created as a serious meeting application for businesses. Now, it is slowly morphing into becoming the standout virtual conversation platform, because of its fun flamboyance, and its seriousness. It has since become one of the most used services during the pandemic for anyone who wants to have a face-to-face virtual conversation. As a result, the company has been adding more fun stuff, such as weird backgrounds, to use for online family gatherings, friend chats, and for business meetings. Now, it's come up with a feature called Studio Effects that gives you the ability to add a variety of eyebrows, facial hair, and lip color to your video image during Zoom sessions. To use the features, start up a Zoom session and go to Video Settings, which is found by hitting the arrow next to Stop Video at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Background and Filters, and look for Studio Effects Beta in the lower right-hand corner. You may need to download the effects package first. Go ahead, it will only take a minute. After that, you can affect any look you want. Always wanted a bright red villainous goatee or bright green lipstick? It's there for the trying. A.